Pulling into Shell gas station that I didn't even know was here. Oh man. I drive by this area 20 times a day. I had no idea this little Shell station was here. He's parked in a good spot, but this parking lot just sucks. Oh, but yeah, we have a Bentley with a front flat tire. Going to Discount Tire, of course. Don't know if Discount Tire is the place to take a Bentley, but that's where he's taking it. It's an older one, so probably makes the most sense. All right. Don't know if he's here just yet. Where is this dumb bitch going? Is she really about to go between my truck and the car? She is. What an actual fucking stupid piece of shit person. Dumb cunt. Alright. Let's give this guy a call and see where he's at, unless that's him sitting in the truck, which I don't think is the case. Let's see. Okay, no worries. He said he just pulled up. All right. Morning.
Morning.
I just pulled up. Oh. Yeah, I just got the bed down.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Are you going over to Discount with me?
I'm sorry?
Are you going over to Discount with me?
Yes, please.
Okay. Did you call to make sure they have your tire? I just don't want you sitting there waiting all day.
Oh, I mean, I don't...
Because they're probably more than likely not going to have that tire just because it's so low pro. They don't. That's not really a normal tire size.
Yeah.
So if you want to wait there all day, be my guest. I just want to make sure I get you the best solution, you know.
No, I hear you. I mean, I don't know where else I would.
Well, no, I'm saying take it there, but then I can check it in for you, and you can just go back home. I'll give them your name and phone number. But again, whatever you want to do. Yeah, just let me know. Let me get the ramps out. We'll get it started.
Okay, thanks.
Absolutely.
And again, when they tried to pull it up, this part started. Yeah.
Not a problem at all. Yeah, AAA is good for like the bends. Perfect. Because they don't got to worry about anything. They just drive it up or whatever. This takes a little more of a keen eye. Especially with a flat. So we have these ones.
Need me to turn the car on so that it rises a little bit?
We'll do that, yeah, here in a minute. Yeah, we'll do that all at once. Because I don't like to, I try not to start them and turn them off right away. It's just not good for the engine.
Yeah.
So when I turn them on, I try to at least let them run, you know, the one time. Oh, for sure. Yeah. Let's see. So we're gonna go a little bit to the right on that one. And that should be the same thing. And this driveway. All right. You have the key? Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You want to take all this off?
Yeah.
Here, I'll pop it off of there.
I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, Discount Tire doesn't want all your extra stuff.
Well,
they yell at me for it. They're like, damn.
I would need it. I would need it too.
Right. Let's see.
Do you
Okay. Huh?
what other place would you suggest that would be?
No, Discount's fine. No one's gonna have that tire in stock. Yeah, no, absolutely not. But if you don't like discount, I would go to Ultimate Wheel and Tire. They're up in the Air Park area.
Okay.
They do this caliber of car.
Yeah.
If you're closer to the Tempe area, there's WSI, Wheel Specialists.
Well, Ultimate is probably...
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I live in Old Town, so that's about the same distance.
Yeah. Whichever one would be fine. But discount, you know what, the more I think about it, just because the low pros, I would take it to Ultimate personally, but maybe call discount and just make sure they can work with that size tire while I'm doing this.
Okay.
Just to be sure.
What's the size tire?
Let's see. It should say right on the sidewall here. What the hell? Oh, what did I do? Okay. Let's see. We got... Where the hell is it? I think it's on the bottom, the part that's all shredded, let's say.
Yeah. Those in the back position.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Staggered setup?
Let's see.
It's hard to see because the fucking low pros.
I know.
Oh, here we go. 255, 30, 22.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it's a very odd size.
250.
255, 30, 22. Yeah. I mean, the wheels aren't perfect, you know, but I just don't want them to make them
I understand.
worse, so yeah. All right.
255,
30, 22.
30, 22.
Yeah. Huh?
What's the name?
No, that's just the size of the tire. Yeah, we don't need to worry about the name. I just want to make sure they can get those wheels on and off without...
255, 3, 22.
255, 30, 22.
Okay.
Yeah. Fuck's sake. I must be hitting the button or something.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to the right. Christ. This thing is temperamental. Check engine lights on too. And the windows don't roll down. Okay. See? Didn't get anywhere near it, did it?
What's that?
I said it didn't get anywhere near the bed, did it? Yeah, like I said, it's a low loader deck and then the ramps.
Those guys are using wood.
Yeah, I tell everybody that's like my joke is if you see your tow truck driver pull out wood for something like this,
Yeah.
immediately send them home. They're not gonna be able to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, they might be able to, but it's not gonna be good. Yeah.
But I didn't, but sometimes with these flat tires, if they're too flat though.
You can't drive it.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's got to roll either way, so it's just easier to drive it. That way you're not pulling on it, so.
Yeah.
Short of picking up right where it's at, it's the best solution.
And the fact that you got straps,
Yeah, no chains anywhere, no.
If those guys had chains, I'd be like, yeah, I gotta go.
Yeah, most AAA drivers use chains just because it's a little more, like, I guess, solid, secure, but these are just fine. I've never had an issue. Ultimate, though, I don't think is open today, but they have a drop box. We can leave it outside and leave the key, or we can still take a discount, whatever you prefer.
Yeah, let's just do discount.
Okay.
And we'll see.
Sounds good. Looks like I'll be towing this one again. It's cold, but it's not like holy shit cold. It's just slightly uncomfortable. Come on, you fucker. do still have 2 jackets on. One is just a windbreaker, but still. We got a picture of the other side because it's missing this turn signal over there. Ooh. Probably need to take a picture of that fender because that's kind of crazy. The metal is ripped. With AAA?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Because they didn't have, the first problem they didn't have, they're like, oh, in order to lock underneath this thing and have it wenched.
Yeah.
They didn't have a thing.
The tow hook?
To pull that out.
Yeah.
No, I got a tow eye.
What were they talking about?
Well, because they couldn't get the tow eye because they couldn't take this stuff off. Because they didn't have a
flathead or something?
I guess.
Huh.
Yeah.
Because that usually just pops right out.
Yeah, and then like, well, why don't we just put the spare on? The spare doesn't work on these tires, obviously.
Right. It's gonna be sitting all fucky.
Yeah.
All right. Good to go.
Because you can tell by this rolling up good enough that that wheel isn't, the rim isn't totally.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, if you look at it, the tire's still all the way on the wheel. Oh, actually, it's not on the inside. There's a little rash on the inside, but I don't think it's unusable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man, those are custom.
Yeah, I wouldn't stick your hand back here and feel it, but it's pretty rough.
Yeah. No, I looked at it before I had.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like I said, that's really the only way to get it up is to roll it. So.
Yeah.
Kind of rocking a hard place, as they say.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean it was only 5 yards.
Oh, okay. Oh no, I meant like before you stopped here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Literally the best place I've ever.
That's good. Yeah. In the middle of Old Town. Yeah. All right, let me get this put away and shut off. We'll get you paid up and then we'll head over. Yeah, I would imagine because it's a discount in the Scottsdale area, they could probably do these. I don't know for 100% certainty, so.
That's okay.
Yeah. All right, let me move my backpack and then we can jump in. Is that guy waiting there the whole time just for us to be out of the way?
No, she was just...
Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I was like, that's actually crazy. Ay, ay, ay.
Is it a Pizzero? Is that what they're called? The tire?
Oh, Pirelli?
Oh no, Pirelli. These are different. Oh no.
P0, yeah, I think that's Pirelli P0, yeah.
Okay, thanks, bro.
Yes, sir. Pizzero. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, I forgot I need the ramps. God damn it. Oh, that's so annoying. Let's not let the strap grab that part of the fender. It's pretty crazy. It like rips the fender metal. Come on, you fucker. I think I need to switch these gloves out. They're getting kind of thin. Alrighty. Oh my god, come on. Straps are being dumb. Alright. Set that. Let's get this thing out of here. Off of here. I forgot your foot has to be on the brake, god damn it. It's so dumb. Ugh. Now this stupid Durango's driving through here, of course. People just need to get the fuck out of my way. Thanks. The horn on this thing sounds like not Bentley. Sounds weird. All right. Shut the hell up. Christ. Fucking parking sensors. Thank you.
All right.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
I was trying to get out of here before he came back out, before the guy tells them they can't do it. Hopefully they can though. Just don't really want to tow it again, I'm just thinking I might have to. Oh, that's probably not good. Not that. Like that. That's still not great. What the hell? Never noticed that sticks up so much. It's never been an issue though. Yep, pull your stupid car up to the air check line because you're... That guy came in fucking hot. What the hell? Pulling up all fast. You crazy geezer. Alright, let's get out of here. I think our next one's a newer Accord going to Grulix for some reason. Alright.
I don't know, fighting over the record collection on fucking New Year's Eve.
Alright, pulling up to a job site. This house is in a really weird fucking spot. This is a shopping center and a gas station directly in front of me, and it's connected to the same street that this house is on. Very interesting, but also stupid. And they got some, oh, it's a Christmas tree farm. I was like, they got some stupid farmer's market thing here too. I'm sure these trees are a couple $100 because of where we're at currently. Stupid. Alright, he said his guys would be here to come out and give me the keys, so hopefully they're paying attention. I don't want to have to go look for them. Just glad it's fucking street side. Well, I'm assuming it's this one because the trailer is disconnected from it. Why else would they do that unless it needs to be towed, right? Alright. Goddamn. Let's see. Maybe the keys are in it. I don't see anybody walking towards me just yet, but I guess we'll see. I really don't want to have to go walk over there. It's not in my job description to walk. God damn it. Well, I guess let's go see. Do you know if this is the one for Jeff?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay. You know if the keys are in it?
I think one of the... Let me go see.
All right.
One of the workers out there.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, all I got was a name and an address to go to. Maybe I shouldn't open the door just yet, just in case. I'm gonna start getting the winch down. Just like trying to figure out what I can do while I'm waiting for him. Jeff is the manager, I'm guessing, because he said his guys are gonna be here. Let's give me the keys. Assuming it doesn't run because it's going to the dealer, so. Gonna be astonished if this is not the right truck, but I guess we'll see. Let's see, let's get the plate in the VIN. Oh man. 5J. Arizona. Let's see if we can get the VIN. Hell no. I'm way too short for that and I don't want to open the door yet. This one?
Yes, sir.
Cool, man. Do you know what's going on with it?
Tranny.
Okay. Does it still drive a little bit or not at all?
I think you could probably get it up there.
Okay. I just don't want to hurt nothing.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay. Has it been off for a little bit?
Since this morning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's usually these have issues once the trans gets warm, so as long as it's cold, it should be straight.
Yeah, no, it's been a minute.
Cool, man. Thank you.
Cool.
262. Still not super keen to drive it up, but what we'll do is move all our straps out of the way and then we'll just try to drive it up. But I already got the winch pulled out and shit. God damn it. I have to run that back in. I guess I don't need to take off the rear ones, but don't want to run over my rassets either. All right, let's see what we can do here. Say it all the time, it's hell being short. Not sure why a work truck needs to be all lifted and fucking on these giant wheels, but you know, Not my business. Alright, let's see. Oh, she ain't doing shit. Absolutely not. Yeah, it's got like a little bit in it, but it's not moving. Okay. Oh man. I was waiting for him to come back like, what, didn't make it up? Hell the fuck no. Good old Stellantis transmissions. God damn it. I changed my passcode. I keep forgetting that I did that. Good thing I didn't put the winch away. Probably gonna have to start it again to steer it. I guess we don't have to, but it'll definitely be easier if we do. All right. Let's see. Why are the stupid steps not going away? Oh, because the door. All right, fuck off. Go up. There we go. Oh man. This thing's got like crazy lift kit and like all this shit. The work truck. Why? I'm surprised it's still got the DPS shit on it. And of course someone's calling me right now. Towing. Good, how are you? Yes. Oh my fucking god. Fucking piece of shit spam callers. Oh, my customer texted me back for this one. Let's see what he's saying. He just said thanks. Okay. Spam callers are the bane of my existence, because as you just saw, it's delaying my fucking process. Alright. Yeah, we gotta go left. Or right, I mean. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, thanks for the steps. Thanks, because I'm short. Oh, man. Let's see, is that what I need? Yeah, right about there. No, actually, a little bit more. Okay. Oh my god, it's so far down. I guess it's not. All right. Gotta make sure we don't run it off the side of the bed. Right about there. Now we can go left so we can get this tire on the bed. Why does this thing keep beeping and doing stupid shit every time I open the door? Yeah. Oh my god. Almost fell off the step. Fucking hell. Big bitch. Alright. Fuck. That'll do it. I gotta jump up in this thing one more fucking time. Well, two once we get it to the drop off. Oh, step almost pushed me off. Ugh. I just heard someone yell Ariba. I'm very white. Don't come at me for my pronunciation. All right. That. Turn the truck off. Okay. We're gonna leave the key in here. I don't know why I didn't do that the first time. All right. Let me fucking mountain climb my way down. Jesus. This isn't even that big of a truck as far as like Arizona goes. I guess it's on the upper end, but definitely not the biggest. But again, it's a work truck. That's probably not what they were going for, but it's a work truck. Just leave it the fuck alone. I don't know. Whatever. Let's see. Not a single. Oh, actually. That one. Way up here. Ah, come on. That'll work. It's a little farther forward than I usually prefer, but that's alright. It'll hold it. Come on, you fucker. And let's put this back. I'm probably not going to undo those on the way down, so hopefully it doesn't run my shit over. Put that under there. I guess we should cinch it up before we do that. Alright, that'll do that. Stop falling. Get up there. You fucker. This is why I like having the longer straps. Go around these bad Larrys. With ease. Come on. There we go. This thing's got two brake lines going into the caliper. Wonder why that is. All right. That one is good. Check this. Good. Could probably cinch that up a little bit. Just thought about it too. Transmission probably would have lasted longer if this thing wasn't lifted, I would assume, right? Does that make sense, or is that dumb? Yeah, it makes sense to me. Stock transmission doesn't like to move. Bigger wheels and tires. Especially towing a trailer all the time. I'm gonna guess that this is not gonna be covered under warranty. Hopefully it is though for them. I didn't look to see what year the truck is. But they're taking it to the dealer for some reason, so just hope they don't get bent over too hard. Alright, let's get out of here. Rather large, but it's not very, I shouldn't say it's not heavy, but it's definitely not as heavy as it could be. Alright, let's get this thing to the dealer. BDS lift kit. Never heard of that one. But again, I know nothing about truck stuff. Alright. Pulling into Larry H. Miller, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, whatever the fuck. Here in Peoria. And of course the back gate is closed. Love that. We love that. That's our favorite shit. We love having to walk or go around or back around the way we just came. Well, you guys are gonna come along with me because I don't feel like stopping the GoPro. I probably won't take the time to edit this part out because I'm not that worried about it. It's gonna be 30 seconds maybe. It's just fucking annoying. I don't know why they wouldn't have the fucking back gate open. Someone's being lazy and doesn't want to have to lock it later. Fucking jerk-offs. I was just saying too, before I started recording, this place is pretty easy to drop at because the driveway is not super dumb like all the other Dodge dealerships, except for Chapman. And then the fucking gate's closed. Whatever. All good, all good. Eesh. This fucking thing turned out to be a little heavier than I was expecting. But I think it's just because the weight is up so high. That's why it feels so like rocky or fucking boaty or whatever you want to call it. Let's see if we can get a straight shot into a spot. That would be great, but I don't know that we're gonna get that. So, probably just gonna put it in the red zone here. Yeah, because that ain't happening. There's no straight spots. Oh, this red zone shit is too fucking narrow. Oh, you know what? We can put it right there. Alright, I guess we'll do that. Oh, this parking lot is not bad, but it's also not great. Oh man, yeah, we can't make that turn, unfortunately, so it's gonna have to go back here. Which, the bays are right there, so that should be fine for them. Why is there a truck parked literally in this, just the middle of the fucking driveway? Oh my god, people are so goddamn dumb. I'm gonna guess it was another transporter or tow truck driver being fucking lazy. That is a crazy spot to leave something. Well, you never know. It's a Dodge. It might have just died right fucking there. At the fucking dealer. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. Alright. I forgot my stupid sun cover, arm cover thing, so we got tattoos and pale skin out for everyone to see. Probably should have went back a little more, but it is what it is. I'm probably just gonna back it down. So you don't really need the transmission to work to go backwards. Well, off the bat at least. So once I get like halfway down, then I can just use the momentum and the backup camera to make sure I don't hit anything. Oof. Feels weird not having my arm covering things on. I feel naked. Yeah, see the truck I'm talking about? Out there in the middle of the fucking driveway. Lane, whatever you want to call it. Luckily they had a straight shot spot. Otherwise this thing was going in a not so great spot, unfortunately, because not too much I can do with a transmission that doesn't do anything with something this big. Can't exactly push it, you know? I'll say, don't tell me it doesn't have park. Again, Dodge wouldn't even fucking question it. Alright. That is a big old fucking tow hitch on this thing. Christ. Beefy. Alright, got that. Got that. Come on, you fucker. I was gonna say they don't have spot numbers, but I'm gonna guess this is the only one with their branding on the side. Wouldn't imagine they have 2 trucks. What's up, man? Is service here today, do you know?
Service?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they should be.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Inside of this truck reminds me of the fucking RC place that I go to on my days off, and I'm not sure why. It's the smell. Alright, I guess we gotta put it in reverse so we get the backup camera. Where's the fucking brake release? You just push it down more? Nope. Oh. Why'd they make it so small? Alright. Come on, you big bitch, roll. Why are we not rolling? I'm not hooked up to anything. Parking brake is off. Oh man, doesn't want to roll in neutral or in reverse. That's, what the fuck? That's weird. Huh. That's a new one for me. Well, sorry, this is not going to be in the greatest place. Yeah, it doesn't want to move. Oh, that's unfortunate. Sorry. Now I'm the asshole, leaving stuff in the way. Ugh. Sorry about it. Yeah, I don't like that. That's not good. I don't feel great about that. But, you know, not really my fault or my deal, but... Try to remember to mention it to him. I mean, it's not super far out, but it's far enough out to where I'm not exactly satisfied with that, but whatever. Make sure I get the bay doors in there so they can figure out where it's at. That's crazy that it wouldn't move going down a hill or down the ramp in reverse. Yeah, something is not happy in that transmission. I gave it some gas. I didn't want to like force it too much though. So, not quite sure. Not good. Fucking Dodge. Alright. I guess we'll just back out the way we came because that fucking truck is in the way. No, I think we can get around it because there's spots around it. Let's see. Yeah, we should be good. Oh, there's another driveway right here. Aha! Please tell me that gate is open. Of course it isn't. Okay, we're going around to the other side. I'll have to do a little bit of walking. Not a problem. Now you got the detailer dummies in my way. Come on, man. Figure it out. I ain't going back that way. Come on, man. In my fucking way. Yeah, pay attention. They're talking as they're pulling the fucking truck in, and the guy's like walking with the truck because he's not moving. Fucking retards. Sorry, shouldn't say that word, but You know? Alright, let's see. I don't quite know where service is. This is the new car side. Here, we're gonna have to walk all the way over there, aren't we? Oh, that's not too far. Okay. Leave the strobes on, put the hazards on. Let's go see what we got, what we can do. Oh, man.
Sorry, boss.
No, you're good. All right, let's see. No worries, thank you. How you doing, sir?
Good.
Towing in a 2500 for, I forget the name of the business. It's a builder company.
They have a name of
Elite. Yeah, first name Jeff.
did they say who they wanted to bring it for? Or?
No, he said he didn't get the name. He just said he got the email saying it was reserved for service.
Okay. What's their phone number?
Got it right here. Give me 1 second. Didn't want to give out customer's phone number. All right.
All set, boss?
Yes, sir. Thank you. People love to just say unnecessary shit to me because they see the camera. It's fine. He was just being nice, but it's funny. All right. I probably didn't need to record the walk back to the truck, but whatever. You guys get to go along with me. Fucking podcast unpaused.
It is.